Chief of Defense Staff General Christopher Mustafa has urged Nigerian youth to embrace sport as a vital tool for discipline, unity and national development. Musa made a call at the closing of the Defense and Police Officer Wives Association Inter-Secondary School Sports Championship in Abuja. Here's more on this report.
In the spirit of sportsmanship, the Defense and Police Officers' Wives Association used the opportunity to sensitize youth against drug abuse during inter-school competition in Abuja. Speaking at the closing ceremony, the Chief of Defense Staff, Christopher Musa, said sports had remained a powerful instrument for building character, teamwork, and perseverance among young people, adding that most of the world's greatest athletes began their journey from secondary school competitions.
It became my solace during the rigorous days of military training, teaching me lessons in strategic endurance and leadership that have guided me in service to our nation. It is in this same spirit that I find immense joy in witnessing the encouragement of young minds through sports as they prepare to take their rightful place in shaping the future of our wonderful country. I wish to commend the chairperson of the Defense and Police Officers' Wives Association, my lovely and beautiful wife, and her resilient team for promoting grassroots sports development. All members of the local organizing committee will really appreciate you. This remarkable effort has provided a platform for nurturing hidden talents and instilling values of discipline, teamwork, and patriotism in our children.
In her remarks, President of DEPOWA Musa urged students to embrace healthy living, discipline and drug-free lifestyles as a path to building a stronger and more productive nation.
Display exceptional talent, incredible sportsmanship, and a competitive spirit that is truly inspiring. You have run, jumped, and thrown not just for medals, but for the glory of your school and the joy of sports. Whether you are standing on the podium today or not, you are all winners. You have participated with honor, and for that, we are immensely proud of you. You are the living examples of what it means to live free and stay clean. Live free! Live free!
Earlier, David Folarami, CEO, David Folarami Foundation Facilitate on Drugs Abuse, urged the youth not to be victims of drug abuse.
For you, the ability to push yourself despite distractions, because whether we like it or not, negative influences from the media, in the schools, in your communities, in everywhere will continue to exist. But if you live a disciplined life, you will be able to live above substance use and other social vices. Also, we taught purpose discovery. Every single one of the participants here, I said on the opening day, should not live without understanding what his or her purpose is on earth. Because every one of you is created for something specific. And I tell you the truth, until you find out what you are created for in this world, you will pay attention to things that do not matter.
The DEPOWA Inter-Secondary School Sport Championships feature students from military and police schools across the Federal Capital Territory competing in track and field events, football, and cultural dances.